Let's connect our app to Google Sheets and develop the create, read, update and delete functionalities. For this, we will be using the Google Sheets connector. Select the Get All Row features and connect your Google Sheets account. You can also add your account to the environment using the Manage Google Sheets account button. Enter all the necessary details here. Select the Google spreadsheet, then select the required sheet. Now you can see the data here. Select the required columns you want to display. Click on test and finish, and now the connector is working. Now let's see how to develop the search functionality. In the button action flow, we will connect with Google Sheets and add the Find a Row functionality. Fill all the necessary information like end row, search value, search direction, and the sheet details. And now add a variable to hold the information you want to display when the search query runs. Now let's add a on-screen action. The variable will now be put here. Now let's see how to update existing fields. First we will make sure that whichever row we click on the table grid is shown here. In the button action flow, select Google Sheets and then select the Find the Row functionality because we first need to find the row which we need to update. So run the same functionality first. Fill all the necessary details now. Store the row number in a variable. Now create another action, select Google Sheets and then select the Update Row functionality. Fill all the details. Now put the variable in row to update field. Now input the keywords to update the values. Click on finish and now the values will get updated. Let's now work on adding a new row. Select Google Sheets and simply click on the add row functionality. Fill all the necessary details. Select the keywords that you want to add. Click on finish and now the data will be added. Now let's see how to delete the rows. In the button action flow, first we will find the row number using find a row functionality and use the row number to delete the row later. Fill in all the details. Add a variable and store the row number in it. Now create another action and select clear row functionality. Now in row to delete field, put the variable. Click on finish and your setup is done. Now let's preview what we have done so far. You can see all the 4 functionalities here. Let's try to search some data. The data is found. Now let's try to update something. As you can see, it is updated now. Let's add something. Let's now try to delete something. The data is now deleted. Let's have a look at our Google Sheets now. I hope now you have understood how to perform create, read, update and delete functionalities. Thank you so much for watching.